What you're looking at right now is Shapely, and this is the free WordPress theme that we'll be using to build your blog. It's hands down one of the most powerful and versatile free themes on the market, and it's no surprise that this theme has over 100,000 active installs. Shapely is a fully functional website with blogging capabilities, but it also comes standard with some pretty amazing features. For starters, this theme comes with several homepage widgets that can be used to add beautiful portfolios, customer testimonials, innovative parallax sections, product or service information, multiple calls to action, and much, much more. The logo, colors, sidebar, and footer are all easily customizable and can be built to match your particular brand. Additionally, this blogging tutorial is going to focus on creating a blog that is tailored for photographers who want to showcase their work. Although you can use this theme for any niche or industry, this particular tutorial will show photographers how to utilize this free theme in order to build a beautiful website and blog that not only showcases your work, but can build your client base as well. Now, the blogging features include a 2-column layout that allows you to publish great-looking content and earn money at the same time. This free theme lets you easily implement affiliate marketing promotions, Google AdSense campaigns, and you can even sell your own products from your blog. The sky's the limit, and this WordPress platform really gives you the opportunity to earn a passive income online. Now, another bonus feature of this tutorial is that I'm going to show you multiple ways to easily change the entire look and feel of this blog by using CSS and WordPress's new custom CSS module. Additionally, I'm going to give you VIP access to my CSS cheat sheet, which saves you the headache of having to manually code everything yourself and scour the internet trying to find the code. My CSS cheat sheet lets you easily copy and paste the ready-made code and gives you the ability to customize every aspect of this theme so that it fits your style and overall brand. Also, no blog is complete without having a way to build your following. This theme allows lead generation capabilities, and it can help you build and grow your email list. That's why I'm going to show you how to set up your email marketing campaigns, install an opt-in form within your blog, and create a landing page. This is the perfect growth launchpad for any digital business, and it's 100% free. Plus, I'm going to show you how to build everything you've seen so far, step by step. And one final note, people nowadays are spending an increased amount of time on their mobile devices, which means they'll expect your site to be responsive. Having a responsive design not only helps you meet and exceed these expectations, but as of April 21st, 2015, Google Search expanded its use of mobile friendliness as a ranking signal. So if you want to get found on Google, your blog needs to be responsive. And as you can see, this free theme is 100% responsive, and it looks awesome. The user experience on the desktop is mimicked on any mobile device or tablet, and the responsiveness of this theme can assure you that you're meeting the mobile requirements of Google's search algorithm. And that's the great thing about WordPress. They offer some pretty substantial layouts whenever you compare them to the premium themes on the market. For example, this premium theme is going for about $130, and that's just for the theme alone. That doesn't even include the professional services to install the theme. And as you can see, this company is charging you nearly $400 to do what I'm going to show you how to do in this very video. Plus, this tutorial includes some web development and design aspects, and many WordPress designers will charge thousands of dollars for custom design and development. So if you think about it, that's a savings of nearly thousands of dollars if you follow my video and just do it yourself. So with that being said, let's get started. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope it gave you some ideas as to what you can do with this theme whenever you build your blog. Now, if you can't wait until the full tutorial comes out, feel free to get a head start by setting up your web hosting and installing this free theme. You can gain access to both of these exclusive offers for WordPress users by visiting the links below this video. Also, be sure to swing by my resources page at blogwithben.com/resources. There you'll find over 40 digital marketing resources that I always recommend for starting a blog. Finally, if you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to ask. Feel free to leave a comment below this video or email me at bpc@blogwithben.com. And as always, thanks again for watching, and keep your eye out for the full tutorial coming soon. I'll see you then.